Hello everyone, my name is Amber and I'm the Youth Services Assistant at the Loyal County Public Library. Welcome to How to Draw. Today I'm going to be showing you all how to draw a dragon. Step 1. Draw a circle. This will guide you in sketching the dragon's head. Step 2. Draw a long, curved line descending from the circle, outlining the front of the dragon's neck. Step 3. Draw another smaller circle beside but not touching the first. This will help you to sketch out the dragon's snout. Step 4. Draw curved lines descending from the original circle, completing the outline of the neck. Step 5. Connect the two circles using curved lines, outlining the shape of the face. Step 6. Draw a curved line from the middle of the original circle, passing through the second circle. Draw a short. Step 7. Enclose a triangular shape below the mouth, outlining the lower lip. Then, draw a curved line across the original circle, contouring the jaw. Step 8. Erase the guidelines, leaving a clean outline of the head and neck. Step 9. Draw curved lines across the front of the neck, lending the appearance of scales. Step 7. Draw hair or spikes on the back of the dragon's head. Use pairs of curved lines that meet at points. Step 11. Draw more hair or spikes visible between the jaw and neck. Step 12. Use curved lines to enclose triangular teeth. Step 13. Draw a curved line across the face, outlining the creature's brow ridge. Step 14. Use overlapping curved lines to continue sketching the brow ridge. Step 15. Use curved lines to outline the diamond-shaped eye. Draw a curved line across it to indicate the pupil. Step 16. Draw the U-shaped nostrils, erasing as necessary. Enclose a round shape within each nostril. Step 17. Draw two curved rectangles on top of the head. Step 18. Extend a pair of curved lines from each horn base, allowing them to meet at sharp points to enclose the horns. Step 19. Color your dragon. I'm made mine shades of orange and yellow because I think those colors work the best on a dragon. I like to imagine that mine breathes a huge stream of fire. Thank you all for tuning into this week's How to Draw. Stay tuned next week on Saturday at 1 where I'll teach you all how to draw a rose. Thanks!